friends, today we play Cocobi ice cream truck. So, there we are. Boom, boom. There you go. We're at the
Welcome to the
amusement
Cocobi
park.
ice cream truck.
So, there you go.
It's so hot today.
She wants a
Choose an ice.
cake. Maybe I might make a
Let's
ice cream
bake cake pops.
There you go. Milk, flour, egg. There you go. And stir it. Come on, me. And there you go. There you go. And then, why the sparkle on there? How should they like that? And then, this looks so strange. I remember that a cake's supposed to be, I guess we make a lollipop for it. But wait a second. The lollipop stick's supposed to be sweet, but why is in the hot there? There you go. Dun, 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 dun. And
Coat the cake pops
there you
with
go. Let's
chocolate.
decorate it. I love pink, so I put pink there. Let's put pink and blue and yellow in there. There you go, nice and good. And maybe let's put yellow first. There you go. There. And a little topping. And there you go. And so good. There. There you go, right there and like that. So, friends, I think this is so good. There you go, let's cover all the yellow stuff. Or maybe let's just leave it yellow like that. There you go, I just want to like that. Poof, there, perfect. Like that. And then maybe let's pick this butterfly. As much as the thing. It looks so perfect when we put this. There. Perfect. And now
More
let's
in the
make
ingredients.
the cake thing. There you go, sugar. But I think that's salt. Or maybe sugar. I think. Let's just stir it. Boop, boop, boop. And put it in there. But when we put it out, it's like the big one, like came out and like bleh. Maybe why they don't like make a hole on the bottom for there.
Let's
So
decorate
I
the ice
wonder
cream
why.
cake.
And then let's decoration. Maybe this. I don't think so. Let's see. I like this princess one. So let's put the new kinds of lollipop sticks.
Decorate and make the ice cream look delicious.
Ooh la la. I just wanna trade hot, but it's okay. I like everything. There you go. Boop 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 boop. There you go, like that and this. It looks so great, and I love it so much. There. What happened if we add this doll? There you go, right there, and this, and maybe we should add that, and there. It looks so perfect, guys, right? And maybe let's use this. No, let's use the hot. Oh, I want it like that. I want it straight. Oh yes. I guess it looks so great. And then look, we make a perfect ice cream cake. Now let's
Enjoy the ice
give
cream.
it for this guy, and he like, oh, so hot, and it's like yum 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 yum. And how she eat that like that? She
It
eats
tastes
so
good.
fast like that. But wait a second. she gave us a lot of money. But
Great!
I guess we did a great job, friends.
Hello.
And then let's see.
It's so hot
He
today.
likes
Cheese
Who
and ice
likes
cream.
that, and I gonna do it this
Or
time.
in the ingredients.
Do it again. Milk and sugar. I wonder what is
Choose
that.
a syrup flavor.
And I love strawberry. Like put strawberry syrup in there and mix it, and mix it well so we can have a perfect ice
Let's
cream.
make bee
And
ice
put
cream.
it in there. There you go. But wait a second. I guess we made it look like cereal. Friends, it look like cereal now. I guess it's not ice cream anymore because I think it look like cereal ice cream. And then I
Choose
think
a bowl.
I like cats, so I gonna choose the cat bowl. I don't think I used this. Maybe I used the cat one. There you go, fishy cat. Oh yes. And let's turn it so there you go. There you go. Put it in there. It looks like a ice cream
Let's make
there.
cotton candy.
There. And I think I might use let's see. I like cat, so the cat thing, the background is blue, so maybe I should use blue too. There you go. On and stir it up, stir it. Let's stir the thing to make a cotton candy and put it in a cereal ice cream. There you go.
Decorate and make the
Now,
ice cream look
let's put
delicious.
all the decoration. I'm gonna use all of them. Maybe what I start first. Oh yeah, a rainbow. There you go. We're gonna put there and there and there and there. And I just like more rainbows, more rainbows. And now I'm gonna use the dark one. Wow, I like this. Yay! Donuts, yes! There you go. And cookie store. And the cookie that last week I ate. And then yum. Let's see. Maybe I use this. No. Oh no. Yes, good, tasty, love it. And how about this? Oh yeah, it's perfect. Oh yes, the decoration. The pink decoration, yay. I think I'm gonna use all of them. It looks so great. I'm gonna use all of them. I guess I'm gonna use. It looks so perfect to our ice cream. Now it looks like a thing. It looks like we put sprinkles, teeny one like that. Maybe it's cookies and we put it on there, but I'm wondering now we put candy and marshmallow and gummies and cookies. There you go. Now it's so pretty. Maybe now I'm gonna use the. Let's see. I'm gonna use this. Yum. Check mark.
Ta-da!
There you
Almost
go.
done.
Delicious. I love it.
Enjoy the ice cream.
So I love this. So I love that, friends. And there you go, yum yum for you. Let's see, you can eat it all if you want. There you go. Eating ice creams is so much
It
fun.
tastes good.
And then I love this so much. There you go. I guess I take all your money, yum yum yum.
Great.
There you go. Now I take it all. Maybe.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's see. Anyone come? Oh yes, he.
What should I get?
Oh wow, this is so great. There you go.
Choose
Yum
an ice
yum
cream.
yum. Yeah, you like that one.
Choose a fruit.
Cool. But let's see. I like this and I like that. Blueberries right there. Yum yum, yum yum, and maybe I like pineapple. Oh, let's see. Oh yeah, wow, 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 wow. I love all of this. But wait, why I just picked dragon fruit? I think suppose I just need to use orange. I am a really silly goose. So there you go. Never mind. If it's tasty, that I'm sure I love it. Even it's not okay if it look not great, but I think if it look not great, maybe great when we put dragon fruit. Yum yum yum. But I'm wondering if he likes dragon fruit, or maybe he likes all the flavor. There.
Fruit in the ice cream machine.
We put it in there. Okay, we put it in there. This one is so big. And what happened? Is seed in there? Oh yeah. In the
Choose an
dragon
ice cream
fruit
cone.
one. What should I pick? Let's see. Which one? Let's see. Oh yeah, I like that. I guess it's calling on
Let's
me.
make a chocolate ice cream cone.
There you go. I guess we use this chocolate ones. There you go, and stir it. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. To make a great thing ever when you want. There you go. Let's put the cone in there. There. And it looks so tasty today. Wow. It's like you lick your whole face like that.
Cocobi ice cream.
But I wonder why it don't go together on the same time, but it's like strawberry done, blueberry done, pineapple done, dragon fruit
Decorate
done,
and make the ice cream look delicious.
tasties, decorate. So yum 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 yum. I want a straight one, not a black one. Look like one that maybe I want a straight one. Oh, whatever. Blah blah. I just do a straight one and I like wow. And then let's see this one. No. Oh yes, yes. Maybe let's put it there. No, I just want to put it on the cone, but it's like dropping away. No, I'm really sad. No, what's one stick on the cone? So let's put the star right here. No, I want a straight one. Maybe let's just put it on the toppings ice cream. Maybe. Oh no, I guess I just put maybe this only one. Maybe the hot is so good. Maybe I'll use this. And yeah, it tastes the ice cream. It tastes the ice cream. With it, here your ice cream. La 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 la. With it, bye friends.
It's so yummy.